This is in no need to panic. We want to make sure everybody remains calm, but what we are doing is being vigilant here as a county and preparing for the future.
That's Chautauqua County Executive P.J. Wendell, who on Sunday, March 15th, 2020, declared a state of emergency as the coronavirus pandemic began to impact parts of western New York. Wendell was joined by members of his just-established coronavirus response team, with County Health Director Christine Schuyler and Chautauqua County Sheriff Jim Quattrone, among others. At the time, there were 2 people in precautionary quarantine awaiting their COVID-19 test results with no confirmed positive cases.
I like to put faith in our residents that they realize that, as Christine had said, stay home, hunker down. This is a time to, play board games, watch videos, really re-engage with a family and share time. But again, really limiting your public as far as, dinners, etc., and large gatherings.
In the weeks to come, schools, businesses, and anything deemed non-essential was closed, part of New York State's on pause directive. Those terms not sitting well with some New Yorkers who took to the streets of Jamestown in the coming months, demanding a reopening.
Brooklyn Square is not Brooklyn, and Lakewood is not Lackawanna. So why have these general sweeping mandates when we could be doing just as good, I think, health-wise, and even better economically if we had a more nuanced, localized approach?
And as for those businesses who remained open, many switching production to make vital supplies for those on the front lines.
We're offering these signs. They can be printed on a rigid plastic material so it stands up on its own.
Terms like social distancing becoming the new norm, with grocery stores running low on high demand items like toilet paper, paper towels, and cleaning products.
I want to remind the public as they're out in the community, as they're out at the stores or wherever they may be going, to exercise respect and be considerate of others, recognizing that we do not need to panic. We can go to the store and do our normal shopping, but to do it when we need to and not out of a panic.
And now, a year later, 7,775 residents coming down with the virus, with more than 7,500 of them recovering and over 100 connected deaths. With the advent of 3 approved vaccines, new cases appear to have reached a plateau, with the county health department reporting around 20 new cases a day.
From north to south, east to west, that we will unite, we will help one another get through this, and we will be a stronger Chautauqua County.